got to Monarch maybe like an hour ago. Had to get James his rentals and whatnot. So I just put up cheaper shoes, grabbed some beers, and now I'm gonna try to teach James how to snowboard. We'll see how it goes. I'm not a great teacher, but I don't know. We'll see. He's gonna fall a lot, but I guess that's just part of it. So I'm trying to teach him how to skate. I think he's getting the hang of it. But yeah. This is James's first run off the lift. Just don't put... yeah. Don't do that.
Yeah, dude, that would rain to my whole body. I have a cramp in my
Just take your time. Yeah. Zach and James are taking a break, eating lunch. Me and Jimmy are gonna put a run or two and then meet up with them for lunch. But yeah, dude, this is insane. So sick. Yeah, it's so open. Holy shit.
Yeah, you can just pick your path and go.
Terrain park, so we'll see how that goes. Flat face, flat face. Good. Big time. Great success. That was. I didn't realize how speedy it was until I got there. We found our friends.
So what runs did y'all do?
I couldn't tell you a single.
We ran up this, then we came down.
This is like our second run after lunch. James is first. Left foot. He's off to the races. Oh shit. James! But you felt that, right, James? The stopping? Dude, it's so sick. Sheesh. Probably the last run of the day. Just don't lean forward. Why do you... No, you're good. Just more weight on your right foot. So you can go to the right. Toes up. Toes up, you're gonna slide. Toes up, you're gonna slide.
Huh?
Toes up where you're gonna slide. Like, see how you can see like the space between the board and the snow for me, right? That's how I'm just like sliding down. If you can't, go to the right.
What?
You're good. You are
going
good.
this way.
You're good. You're doing it over there.
Don't mind me. I'll make it down, man.
We're good. We're not worried.
Huh?
Yeah.
We'll see you at the bar. I keep leaning this way.
Dude, just put more weight on your right foot. And it's hard because this is a lot steeper than that. So you kind of have to go like almost like where your shadow is, almost where your head is. You kind of want to go that way to then make it across. Because once you get up, you're going to go to the left immediately. So you have to really lean into going that way to the right. You good? To the right? Yeah. Stop. There you go. Try to brake. Try to brake. Try to brake. No, you don't. Yeah, you're good. Yeah. No, you're good. I thought you were gonna flip around. I was like, you don't need to flip around. Let's see if this guy will brake. See, he just like, it's just like a casual like weight change, right? Like, and then once he wants to go again, he like lets up and he'll put his weight on his front foot, and then he'll go downhill. And then once he wants to not do that, he'll take it off. Toes up. Yes. Yeah. There you go. Nice. Now to the left. To the left. See, so now you put both your toes too far down. So you dug into the snow. It's a work in progress, baby. I don't know if I can wait till the motel to poop. Heels? Yeah. Heels, 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 heels. Do you want to try to stop that way or no? Is it too scary to try to stop that way? Yeah, well, because I was going to say I can try to teach you how to stop that way, but it's harder, in my opinion.
I'm trying to keep trying to go to the middle.
Just lean a lot to the left, like point your shoulder and your arm to the left.
Fuck, this takes...
Keep going, more weight on your left foot. Yes, yes, you're good. More weight on your left foot. There you go. There you go. Yeah, you're chilling. Oh, keep going. If you yeah. There you go.
Trying to splash you.
Huh?
Trying to splash you.
Yeah, you can't be spicy. Don't overcook. You can't overcook, pal.
That's what I do.
You shouldn't.
Fucking seat here, right?
Huh? Stay to the left. Get up. was a lot better. All left foot. Until you need to turn. You put too much weight on your toes. You put too much weight on your. You put too much weight on your toes, James. Heels, all heels, all heels. You're chilling. You are big chilling. Look at you. Now if you want to go to the right, there you go. Oh shit, dude. It's too funny, man. You're good. You are good. Left foot, left foot. Nice. You're good. You're good. You can keep going that the entire time. If you want to switch, you can go right foot, wait. There you go. Left foot, wait, left foot, wait. Not too instant. Oh!
It's Martin!
Appreciate it. Ah, shit. Well, you win some, you lose some, huh?
You know, I don't have the split lives out there.
Yeah, I don't think we're split lives in this one.
Damn, that's weird. Damn, that sucks.
Too many ambers for this guy.
Yeah, chill.
I'm fine.
He does play frisbee. Big frisbee guy. So we just went to a hot tub or hot springs in Salida, and now we're going to Moonlight Pizza Brewing. It looks pretty full. We came here last time. It was pretty good.
I was like convinced that I like the more book.
Yeah, that is true. The other one had like the white sauce.
The Venus one? Thank you. Hawaiian and cream cheese and jalapeno.
Chicken.
Yeah, what Jimmy just said.
In the house for a very long time. Never I cease, I get better like wine. Soul searching, found me online. No end of my reach, got a hand on the skies. Stop being so emotional, what you smoking on? About time I open up, you can't roll with us. If you want peace, go and throw up the sign. If you want feast, get the animal fries. Put her on her back like Charles Dupont. I get choked out.